In question 5, we're told that in mice, the recessive form of a gene causes the death of the fetus if present in the homozygous state. So the recessive allele, allele being a word for the form of a gene, when two of them are present rather than just the one, and the dominant allele, if two of them are present in the homozygous state, we're told that the phenotype is such that there is the death of the fetus, so the fetus is never born. We're told that mice heterozygous for this condition were crossbred. What we're then asked is what percentage of the live offspring, the key word being live, would be homozygous dominant. Well, before we get to the live offspring part, we should first off do this heterozygous cross between these two individuals, so we know their genotypes. We can use capital D for dominant, lowercase d for the recessive, and the lowercase d recessive allele, when in the homozygous form, causes death, so that's why we've used the letter D. So we have homozygous dominant here, 2 heterozygotes, and 1 homozygous recessive as the expected genotypes. So at the point of conception, before we get through the pregnancy, we'll have 25% homozygous dominant, 50% heterozygous, and 25% homozygous recessive. But we're being asked about the live offspring, remember? So this homozygous recessive individual, or rather the 25% who would expect it to be homozygous recessive, would not be born. So therefore, when it comes to the live individuals, we'd have a third of our 3 remaining potential viable genotypes. 1/3 of them would be homozygous dominant. 2/3 would then be heterozygous, and so since our answer is asking about the homozygous dominant individuals, we can say 33%, or a third of them, is our answer, which is C.